You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with long addition. The final result is 19,142,738,829. Let's solve it step by step. Rewrite the numbers from top to bottom, aligned by their place values. Add up the digits in each column, from right to left. 3 plus 8 equals 19. Carry 1 to the tens place. 1 plus 2 plus 7 plus 2 equals 12. Carry 1 to the hundreds place. 1 plus 7 plus 8 plus 2 equals 18. Carry 1 to the thousands place. 1 plus 7 plus 1 plus 9 equals 18. Carry 1 to the 10,000s place. 1 plus 2 plus 0 plus 0 equals 3. 8 plus 0 plus 9 equals 17. Carry 1 to the millions place. 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 4 equals 12. Carry 1 to the 10 millions place. 1 plus 4 plus 4 plus 5 equals 14. Carry 1 to the 100 millions place. 1 plus 7 plus 7 plus 6 equals 21. Carry 2 to the billions place. 2 plus 8 plus 9 equals 19. Carry 1 to the 10 billions place. Write 1 in the 10 billions place, and so the final result is 19,142,738,829.